I've actually had a lot of people asking why are letters of intent important. The reason why letters of intent are important is to make sure that the contractor you selected is the one doing the job. If you have a contractor that might be using somebody else's license or might be working for a company and is doing some work on the side, they either might not be qualified to do your job or can be sued by the contractor that they're using the license for. So you want to make sure that you always get a letter of intent with the person licensed to do your job. A letter of intent is a document between the owner and the contractor hired. In that document, it should state the scope of work, how much the project will cost, and have the time that it's going to take to complete the project. It should be an original letterhead from the company you hired. It should have company name, an agent name, license number, phone number, email, and address, as well as a signature or stamp at the bottom from that company's agent or the company's owner. You need a letter of intent from each contractor, from a general contractor, HVAC contractor, plumbing contractor, electrical contractor, and a masonry contractor usually. Those are the bare minimum requirements for a typical project. If you're doing an interior build out, you usually don't need a masonry contractor. As the owner, you want to make sure that you also have a letter of intent so that later on, if there's anything that goes wrong in the project, you know who to ask. For example, working on a multi-unit project, if anything goes wrong, that building will look to you to give answers to why issues went on with your construction. It's not your job to know about what is happening in construction, but it is for the people that you hired. The people that you hired should be doing their job to ensure that everything is done correctly and goes smoothly. A letter of intent protects you from damages that might occur on site. For example, scenarios where a contractor may say he's licensed, but in actuality is using a different person's license or doing incorrect work on site.